Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. If you're already a subscriber, then you are the real MVP. So today's look is this autumn / fall inspired look. It's super quick, super easy. I used about 3 eyeshadows and it's especially catered to my hooded eye ladies. I used this palette, which is the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. Like, the colors are amazing and it's so pigmented and it's so affordable. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then stay tuned. I'm going to be going in with MAC Prolongwear Paint Pot in Laying Low, and why I'm using this colour is because not so much the colour, but I'm using this for longevity. If I wanted the colours to really pop, then I would go in with the shade Soft Ochre and mix it in with a bit of concealer. So I'm just going to apply this all over my lid. Hooded eyes, I brought the primer all the way to my brow. Depending on your degree of hoodedness will depend on how far you need to go up. Not everybody needs to go all the way to their brow, but because of the shape, the degree of hoodedness that I have, I need to bring my colors up higher so that they can be seen. So I'm going in with the first color. So I'm applying this, I'm just patting it in. That's just to help bring the intensity of the colour, and then in a moment you'll see me blending it out. See that yellow colour, I brought it all the way up to my brow. Pretty much there's like a millimetre between my brow and the colour. So I'm going to go in with the second colour now, which is the orange. So with the orange, I'm not really focusing on intensity, it's more about blending it in with the yellow. Then I'm just going back in with the yellow and just blending out the demarcation line. Now I'm going to go in with the last colour, which is the brown. So I'm going in with the brown and I'm not really blending it out, I'm just trying to pack it on. So I was trying to build up the intensity of the brown, so it wasn't working. So I then go in, which you'll see in a moment, with Embark's MAC eyeshadow in Embark. And I'm just going over where I put that brown. So now I'm just going back in with the orange and just blending everything out. I'm going to finish the rest of my face off camera and I'll be right back. So guys, this is the final look. Check out the wig though. It came as I was doing my makeup off camera and I was like, yep, have to showcase it. But that'll be for another video. So this is it. I haven't put any eyeliner because this is just a low-key autumn look. So I didn't want to go crazy. I didn't want to go ham with highlighter. I've just got a bit of blush, a tiny bit of highlighter, just a bit of mascara under my eyes, and then my lips. This combo, oh my gosh, I will link it down below. It's from a brand called Makeup for Melanin Girls. I found them on Instagram. This shade is Flesh, and this brown pencil, I'd like it more than chestnut, because chestnut sometimes can come up with like a reddish undertone to it, whereas this one, it's like a cool tone brown, and it's actually an eyebrow pencil, and it costs £1. So I've got about 4 of them, big size, little size, this size. So this is everything, well, nearly everything that I used, and I'll link it down below. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Do let me know if you want a bit more I don't know, how can I say, like eyeshadow look and foundation in one video, because I know me personally, I like quick videos. I'd like you to get to the point, so I'd rather link you to another video which has my foundation routine, because it pretty much stays the same. Depending on, the only time it will change is if I'm using a different product for a different look, for example matte to dewy, or if I want more coverage, or that's about it. Otherwise the routine stays the same, so I just don't see the point in putting it in the same video. But if you do want that, then let me know and I will do. I hope you liked. Give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.